welcome to Newmark Homes Bonnell floor plan. So much to love in this Jeremy 9th, the night of your favorite Austin realtor. Come take a look.
So as we step into this floor plan, there's a lot that I think you're gonna love, and maybe some things you don't like. I'm curious to see from you in the comment section which is which. So right as you walk into the Bonnell floor plan, you will notice that this is the office. French doors on this, so this is a spec home that they have here. Some really nice touches they've done. You tell me as we go through what touches you'd like in this home, what you don't like, what you would have changed, because there's some things I personally might change in this floor plan. All right, so like I said, you got the office right up front here. Fantastic, especially if you work from home. This is Rough Hollow, which is, about 45 minutes to downtown Austin, so you probably have some work from home. What are your thoughts on the dining room right up front? What would you do differently here? Would you keep this a dining room, or would you make this like a family room? You tell me. This is a 2-story floor plan, so upstairs, some good stuff to show you. There's a media room and a game room, so definitely we're gonna show you those as well. And this is a cool floor plan, really. 3,400 square foot, 4 bedrooms, not 5, 3.5 bath, 2 stories, and a 3-car garage. In fact, I can't wait to show you the 3-car garage as well. So some interesting stats on this. As far as pricing goes, if you were to get the base price on this, you're looking in the 900 range here in Rough Hollow. They do have this floor plan, a couple other spots. Definitely reach out to us here at the Night Group if you want to see that or know where else you can find this floor plan. We'd love to help you with that. So lots of good, fun things I'll tell you about this house as we go through, and just buying a new construction home. So we'll go through that. So one thing you'll notice right when you walk in the door, other than the 2 rooms I just showed you, is the stairs. So this is a 2-story floor plan. What's nice is that it does have like a little a walkway up top there where you can actually look into the living room and into this front entry. We'll show you that in a little better detail here in a minute. So far, what do you think about the color scheme? Do you like this color scheme? Good thing this has a half bath right up front, especially since you have an office and a dining room right off the front of dining room right off the front of the house. What do you think about the tile on this thing? I really think that does tie in the colors. It looks definitely good to me, but you tell me. So this home isn't fully complete, so you'll see some construction items still being addressed in this floor plan, like what's happening to the wall there. Don't worry, that happens when you buy new construction. It's okay, but this is a great floor plan. So you got the laundry room right here off of the garage, and we will show you the garage in a second. This has some storage space in here that they've added now. That it's going to be an upgrade for a lot of different builders. So definitely keep that in mind if you're going to spec out a home yourself, which is hard to do. And by the way, they do have a lot of inventory homes in this neighborhood right now in Rough Hollow. So if you are looking for maybe a different floor plan, definitely subscribe to the channel because we show you different floor plans. But reach out to us as well because they do have a myriad of floor plans right now available in this neighborhood. So here's a garage, 3-car garage, and you get a little bit of space in here, a little bit of elbow room, a little storage space. You have a hot water heater over there in the back. That is a tankless hot water heater, plus access to the outside, which is great. Not too many builders anymore build a home with the 2 doors, right? One to the entry of the home and one to the outside. So do you like this touch? Also, right there is the water softener loop in case you want to add a water softener. You can, or you don't have to. And a lot of people out in this area do add the water softener loop. It definitely keeps the pipes flowing longer. All right, as we step back into the house, I'm going to show you the kitchen. There's so much fun stuff I'm going to show you in this. Again, house isn't fully complete, so when you see the stove not fully attached, don't worry, it'll get there. What are your thoughts on the color cabinet? The color cabinets? What are your thoughts on the cabinet color here with the wood tile floor? Double ovens, fantastic. So when you do this, this would be an upgrade if you wanted to upgrade some of these things if you're going to build this yourself. Like I said, this is spec'd out. What I do like that I've noticed a lot with the floor plans that they spec out, they put the pot filler on the back wall there. Not many builders do that. So pretty nice. I don't know if you saw there a second ago, there was a really cool spot at the end of the cabinet there, or any of the islands, so you can put books and things like that. Nice that you have your cookbooks or whatever you want to put there. Sink looks great. I like the way this opens up to the living room. What are your thoughts? And then you have a little breakfast nook over there as well. Really nice appliances. Interesting choice in the backsplash. I like the chevron. I don't know that I would have gone full white though. Would you gone full white backsplash? One of the cool features about a property like this in Texas is the fact that you get a nice fireplace. We'll show you the fireplace in a little more detail there in a second. I like what they've done with it. Last fading shots taken in the kitchen. So like I said, there's a little like pub table area over here, so you could almost make this a formal dining and not have the formal dining up front. What would you do with this? I'm just curious, because do people actually use formal dining rooms anymore? Do they use them for living space? You tell me. Can't wait to show you upstairs in this house too. If you like this downstairs balcony that I'm going to show you, then you'll love the upstairs balcony. And this is one of the features I absolutely love about this house. So this is a nice wide open living room, open space to the kitchen. I feel like there's a ton of space. The only problem you're going to have in this house is changing the light bulbs way up on the ceiling, because those are some gigantic ceilings. And the way they did this waterfall pretty much front facing of the fireplace is absolutely stunning as well. I really like they did that. That black bar you see at the top is to blow heat back down as well, so that's pretty nice. And they picked some nice tile here. Do you think the colors go together though? You tell me. I did like the catwalk that you have upstairs. When we go upstairs, you'll kind of really get a better view of that. Let me show the outside patio. Now this is rough hollow, so some of these homes are going to be looking into other homes. This floor plan right here does look into this home right here, but you do get really nice views off to the side here. There's some other floor plans we've shot in this neighborhood that I'm curious your thoughts on, because they actually have some really beautiful views. I'm not a big fan of the power lines on this specific unit, but we're looking at the floor plan here. If you did want to negotiate on this, definitely reach out because we could help you negotiate. This is nice because all their floor plans, it seems like they have on the downstairs where you can add a sink out here, and you have the stub out for the fireplace and a half wall. See right here. So this is pretty cool. I like this, and especially, you'll be able to see a neighbor because these fences are all see-through fencing. You could definitely throw some shades on this on all three sides, and boom, you're looking pretty down there. Look at that. So I told you there's a second story to this floor plan with a balcony upstairs. So here's a quick shot of this. So you have the master on the main. This floor plan swap from what you see, but as far as like the garage is on the other side. But you got living room, dining room, great. Let's look at the upstairs because we haven't got a shot of that yet. But you have 3 bedrooms up there, and you have this game room and a family room, and you have 3 bathrooms. There's a Jack and Jill, but you have basically 2 bathrooms up here. So really awesome floor plan overall. Again, this is a 3,400 square foot, 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story with a 3-car garage. Is it enough space for you? Let's head upstairs. So when you get upstairs, to the left is some of the bedrooms. The game room is on this side. But what are your thoughts about the open to the downstairs walkway here? What are your thoughts? I'm curious if you loved it. I actually like it. Kind of almost feels nostalgic because you don't really see that in too many 2-story homes anymore. So look, you got the media room over here. It's those 2 little double doors, and then this huge game room. Is this enough living space for you? I definitely want to hear from you because I feel like this is a ton of living space, and we haven't even seen the bedrooms upstairs yet. And I haven't even shown you the master bedroom. Are you excited to see the master bedroom? I'm excited to see the master bedroom. I'll show you in a second. So from the game room, you do have that second balcony, which is upstairs. And I like that you're going to be able to take advantage of the views coming off of this. So are really amazing. kind of interesting how they've done this media room. I feel like the stairs kind of take up some of the space here. This is one of the quirky things that I think I was talking about. And with the slanted ceiling, it seems like this would have just been extra storage space, and it was just too much that they so sometimes you'll see storage space, it's just empty storage space in an upstairs attic. And so it looks like they try to take advantage of that here. What are your thoughts? All right, I didn't go anywhere. I'm here because I am really excited to show you this upper deck. Some of the things I love about Texas in the hill country is that you can get a home with one of these upstairs patios and get really good views. The clouds on this day are absolutely fantastic. Now, from here, you are going to look into that back house, but from this way, you actually have really cool hill country views. But we're showing you the house, not necessarily, or this floor plan, not necessarily selling you this house. Unless you want to buy this house, definitely reach out to us at the Night Group. Look, we've helped so many people with new construction. New construction isn't always the easiest, even though you think it's straightforward. We've had a lot of really bad scenarios with builders. Luckily, we had great experience in Newmark when we've worked with Newmark. So we've had some great experience with them. All right, let's check out the last bedrooms, and let's go check out the master bedroom. And then let's get out of here and check out one of the other videos that we spent a ton of time making for you. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because these videos, while it's just me talking to you here, take forever to put together, and it takes a lot of time. So thank you so much to the people that have subscribed and watched this channel. So I said you had a couple bathrooms up here. This is one of the full baths. So this isn't in the bedroom. This will be shared with the guests up there. This tile was a different color brown than what it's actually showing here. I thought it was okay. What are your thoughts on it? Do you like this like chevron? So they call that chevron style. What are your thoughts on the color palette in this house as well? I found it interesting. I don't know that I loved it. I didn't know that I hated it. I'm just curious what you think. Okay, as we go through here, there's a Jack and Jill bathroom over here. You have this one bedroom. It's interesting because I feel like this bedroom's narrow. Do you feel like this bedroom's... I like it overall. I mean, I think having all the space up here is great. But this one does have a bathroom in it, or half part of the bathroom is Jack and Jill. Nice size closet here. Yeah, it does look kind of pink. What are your thoughts on the pinkish style? There you go, that's a better shot. So definitely, you know, having a Jack and Jill up here is great because it feeds both bedrooms that are up here. And then if you have multiple kids up here, use the other bathroom up there. So you're a good spot. Excited to show you the master bedroom in this house. There's a lot of cool features about the master bedroom. So I'm excited here in a second to show you something I think that you may like. You tell me if you like it or not. So if you turn this into a 4-car garage, which is something you could have done on this floor plan, this would have a 3-car wide and then a tandem in the back. Well, this floor plan doesn't have that. Instead, it has this bedroom. So when I said this is a 4-bedroom, this is actually a 5th bedroom. So this is a pretty tiny bedroom, but it is a bedroom with a full bath. I don't know, would you make this a full bedroom here, or what would you do here? Would you make this an office or a back playroom? It is helpful having another bedroom downstairs. So, you know, if you're downstairs, kid downstairs, whatever, however is happening, maybe a parent. So it's nice to have this in here. Let's actually now go into the master bedroom. So nice long room here. I love bay windows like this. It definitely adds and gives you some really great space. I'm really excited to show you the bathroom too. I think this is some cool things here. And then we're gonna get out of here and you're gonna watch another video and you're gonna listen to me talk on and on and on again, right? You love me. Drop a comment. There we go. over here. I'm a tub guy. Look at the tub. Did you like this tub? And do you like the backsplash in the tile in here? First, gotta show you the closet, of course. Really great closet size. So I am a big fan of this shower. I just like the tile on it. I do like the frameless on it as well. So there's another linen closet over there, plus the toilet. Do you think these colors go together is the question. I could not tell if I like the color scheme on this house or not. Now, this is a builder spec. You can build out a home. They still have some lots. In fact, they're opening newer sections in Rough Hollow as well. But if you do want that information about where they are building other properties, let us know. We could definitely get that information for you. Look, we work with, like I said earlier, we work with a lot of builders. We do a lot of work out in the Rough Hollow area. We've worked with Newmark, great product. What did you think about their products? Now, you can find more information on their website, or you can reach out to us here at the Night Group and we can give that information for you and help you through the process. It is not easy buying a home, especially when you have a brand new home. We'd love to help you though.
All right, you've seen the Bonnell floor plan, 2 choices now. Give me a call or watch the next video. See ya.